Mount Kigali University is more than an institution of higher learning. It is a university intentionally shaping the future through quality education, innovation, research, and community impact. Built on the vision of becoming a citadel for teaching, learning, and research in pursuit of excellence in science, technology, and innovation, the university continues to invest in an academic environment that prepares graduates not only for employment, but for leadership, entrepreneurship, and national transformation. Today, Mount Kigali University stands as one of Rwanda's fastest-growing universities, offering accredited undergraduate and postgraduate programs across 6 schools: nursing and health sciences, business and economics, computing, informatics and media studies, hospitality and tourism management, education, and law. Supported by experienced academic staff and strong institutional governance, every program is designed to meet national priorities while remaining globally competitive. At Mount Kigali University, quality is not simply measured by infrastructure or accreditation. It is demonstrated through the success of our students, the relevance of our programs, the strength of our partnerships, and our unwavering commitment to continuous improvement. This is a university that embraces excellence, nurtures innovation, and empowers generations to shape the future. Welcome to Mount Kigali University, where knowledge meets purpose, innovation drives progress, and tomorrow's leaders are prepared today. Students train in modern labs equipped with advanced scientific and clinical equipment, digital computer labs, robotics and artificial intelligence facilities, simulation labs, dental clinics, media production studios, photography and film production facilities, editing suites, podcast and radio studios, and a fully equipped moot court where future legal professionals develop practical advocacy skills. Innovation is embedded in the student experience. Through emerging technologies such as robotics, digital media, and immersive learning environments, students develop practical competencies that prepare them to solve real-world challenges and thrive in rapidly evolving industries. For hospitality and tourism students, learning takes place in professional training kitchens and extends into Kigali Paramount Hotel, the university's application hotel, where students gain hands-on experience in hospitality management, food production, housekeeping, event management, and customer service within a real commercial environment. Healthcare education is equally experiential. Through the university's medical center, nursing and health science students participate in supervised clinical training while serving the wider community. The center provides consultation, lab services, dental care, diagnosed imaging, and emergency support, reinforcing the university's commitment to producing competent and compassionate healthcare professionals. Comprehensive support services, including academic advising, career guidance, counseling, student leadership, healthcare, and vibrant extracurricular programs ensure that learners develop academically, professionally, and personally. From championship-winning sports teams to clubs, innovation initiatives, and community engagement, students are empowered to become confident leaders ready to make a meaningful impact. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in continuous investment. Following the recent quality enhancement initiatives, the university has expanded its learning resources, acquired advanced clinical and robotics equipment, strengthened digital infrastructure, enhanced student transport, and invested in the Karembure Happy Valley grounds, a strategic development that will support future academic expansion, recreation, and graduation ceremonies. New academic and administration blocks, now nearing completion, will further increase teaching capacity and improve the overall student experience. These investments are driven by a clear purpose: to create an environment where innovation flourishes, research grows, partnerships thrive, and graduates are equipped with the knowledge, skills, and values required to contribute to Rwanda's socio-economic transformation. At Mount Kigali University, learning extends far beyond the classroom.